In this video, I'm going to show you how to post Instagram story from your computer or laptop. So first, open up your browser and then log in to your Instagram account. So I'm just typing in Instagram, and then you will be needing to log into Instagram official website. So once you're logged in, just go to any empty spaces, right click, and then click on inspect. So from here, just click this one like a tablet icon. So if you click this one, it has to become blue. There you go. So from here, let's move on to responsive, dimension responsive. Just go ahead and expand the arrow down. And then select iPhone XR. So it's like you're using your phone feature in here. Just select the home icon and then go on top and reload the page. So once it's done reloading, just go ahead and click on the add to home screen. And then from here, just go to your story and then select a file from your Explorer. So once you're done choosing, just go ahead and tap enter. There you go. So it's already in your story, so you can also edit this one, the background. You can also put names, you can also put stickers or draw. So you can do anything here like what you usually doing when you're using your phone. And once you're happy with it, just click on upload to your story. And that's it, guys. That's how to post Instagram story from your computer or laptop. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.